I never in a million years thought I'd be putting glue on my edges.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kenzie, and today I'm giving you guys this low sleek bun. Enjoy!
Hey guys, it's your girl Kenz. Today I'm bringing you a very old and busted, crusted wash and go, and I'm about to go somewhere, so I thought I would just hop on and show you guys how I'm going to make this work. I don't have a lot of time. My ride is on its way, so I need to get cracking. Really not moisturized or cute enough to be wearing out like this, and I'm kind of tired of my everyday bun that I do on top of my head. I do that all the time, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and go for a low bun. I haven't done that in a while, but yeah, that's the look for today. So let's see how we can tame this beast. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spray my hair down, re-moisturize a little bit so that everything is pliable and can move, because this hair is dry. Ooh, right in my face. I'm mostly making sure to get the perimeter where my edges will be, because that's where I'm going to concentrate my product. Okay, now I'm just going to work that in so it penetrates. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a gel just to smooth down this hair so that it can actually fit in a ponytail. I'm just going to use whatever gel is closest by, so let me go figure out what that is. I'm going to be using this Eco Styler gel. It's the black castor and flaxseed oil version. Looks like this. I do have a video reviewing this gel if you want to know my full thoughts, but this was the closest one nearby, so this is what we're going to rock with. Alright, so I got about 3 scrunchies because whenever I'm doing a bun, I need a lot of scrunchies on deck because this hair is thick. I'm going to go ahead and add more water to the top of my head. So I'm taking a little bit of gel. Gross, there's a hair in it. And I'm going to apply that to the crown of my head. Just smooth that on down. Now I'm going to start smoothing my hair back and trying to get it as flat as humanly possible before I go in with my brush. Alright, now I'm going in with my paddle brush to just smooth that down. Alright, now that that's all smooth, I'm going to go ahead and add even more gel because I want to make sure that this ponytail is secure and doesn't puff up or lump up. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a regular bristle brush and I'm just going to smooth everything into place. So the paddle brush was more or less just to collect my hair into the ponytail, and now the bristle brush is really going to help me smooth the hair down. Okay, now once I have everything nice and sleek and smooth the way I like it, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use 2 of my scrunchies and wrap that around to make a bun. Okay, so now that I have my bun in place, I'm going to go ahead and jazz it up a little bit for a little extra, and I'm going to pull out some hairs on the side. Just for a little curl action. So I'm going to pull that out. And taking a little bit more gel, I'm just going to smooth that curl out. Same thing on this side. You know, this is that bun you do when you want to look like you tried, but not too hard, but hard enough, you know? I don't really care that it's not even because I kind of want it to be that cute, haphazard look, just thrown together, which it literally is. And now I think I'm gonna do some edges to go the extra mile. Really look like you tried. It's 2018. It's time to try. So for my edges, I'm gonna go ahead and use this product. It's called the Shine and Hold Control Glue by Creme of Nature's Coconut Milk line. I'm not sure if this is in stores yet, but I did use their foaming mousse for my curl formers tutorial, which I'll link up in the cards, so definitely be sure to check that out. I'm loving everything I've tried from this line so far. The edge control though, I'm not so sure about, but anyway, go watch that video if you want to know my thoughts on those products. So I have used the Shine and Hold glue before. I used it for a wash and go. It worked pretty well on my wash and go. However, I will say that I think I used too much, and I think with this product a little goes a long way. So I'm going to try to use this for my edges today. I'm a little nervous because it says it's a glue, it's a control glue, and I feel like I don't know how well this product is going to play with the other products that I have in my hair because it's old, you know, old wash and go. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna glue these edges down. I never in a million years thought I'd be putting glue on my edges. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with a very little bit, and I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in. Okay, so now we can see what we're working with. I got my little mirror here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get these edges. Ooh. Oh my god, okay, so you really don't want to put too much of this because it's laying them. It is laying them. Glue is definitely a good name. Oh gosh, is this mixing with my foundation? I can't tell. It's too far. It's too far now. We've gone too far. We can't stop now. Alright, so I feel like this might be mixing with my foundation a little bit, but it's okay. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Okay, so like every good natural, we got our little brush, and we're gonna go ahead into our swoop-de-doos. Alright, so this is what we're looking like. I think it's pretty cute. Okay, so I just pulled out another couple curls just randomly, whatever, it doesn't need to be perfect. Alright, so I think that's about it for the bun. I'm happy with it. I think it's cute to have a couple little tendrils hanging down, even if it is a little extra. Makes the bun look a little bit more interesting, you know? So I'm going to go ahead and throw on a lip and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to use this lippy from Fenty Beauty. It is in the color Shouty, so we're going to go ahead and apply that. These Mademoiselle lips from Fenty are so creamy. Like, I'm so used to wearing liquid lips because that's just what everybody's been on. But these are amazing. Let me know if you guys would like a full Fenty Beauty makeup review and maybe a little look too. So here's the finished look with Shouty. I'm not sure if I'm fully feeling it. What do you guys think? Okay, so here is the finished look. It's just a nice, sleek, low bun with some cute little romantic tendrils hanging out and about. Really simple if you need something to do with an old wash and go. Now I can actually go out in the streets and be presentable. And it's just a really simple way to repurpose your old, busted wash and go without washing your hair because your girl didn't have time for that. But that's about it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Definitely comment down below and let me know if you want that Fenty tutorial because I do have a couple more products from her. And I'm also looking into getting a few more things. You know, we gotta support Rihanna. Aside from that, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more content. And until next time, guys, bye!